What is that you're drinking, Sanu?
Soup. I'm making carrots.
What soup it is?
It's
So
veg-
broccoli?
It's pretty oranges. Oranges.
Okay.